Hey YouTube, this is Mike, aka Cokelard, with another one of my Wackhead reviews. I tried the first one of these last week, and it turned out that it was actually quite well received from most people. So, as people seem to like my reactions, I think I'll try a few more. I thought what I'll do this week is why not do the one where I am actually featured on a Wackhead prank. It's really fun getting your name shouted out on the air, but as Wackhead would explain, I'm going to leave him doing the explanation, but basically I sent Wackhead some of my cough sound effects, not quite as bad as some of the ones which I've sent, which you just heard there. He used it in a prank, and he'll explain why. So give this prank an explanation a listen, and let's see what we think. So let's give this a play, and here we go.
Okay, so there's this guy. He's been listening to me for quite a while. Never met him. Don't know who he is. But we have had the odd chat on email. Mm-hmm. His name is Michael Ball. He lives in London. He is a Londoner, born and bred. Never been to South Africa. Doesn't even know any South Africans.
Okay.
But he said that he stumbled across my work on YouTube when I did that Tesco's is cheaper prank, and it hit the newspapers in the UK. Mm-hmm. And then he started doing a bit of a background into me, and he downloads all the pranks all the time. So he basically sent me this. He said, look, dude, it was last week on like Thursday evening.
Yes.
I see this email come through from him, and there's like 8 sound effects attached. He said, this is my cough. So I'm listening to it, but I'm laughing at the same time. And in the explanation, he says that he was known when he was growing up as the foghorn. Because he had this hysterical cough. Whenever he coughed, everybody around him laughed.
Okay.
But then a couple of weeks back, he got pneumonia.
Horrible.
Okay.
That was horrible.
Not so funny.
No. But it made his cough even funnier.
Oh dear.
Yeah. The foghorn with pneumonia on top of that. You've got to hear what his cough sounds like. So I said to him, dude, I don't believe you. This is not your cough. Mm-hmm. So then he sent me another clip. He said, okay, he coughed and he put my name in the cough as well.
Okay.
So there you go. That is proof that it is me. Let me just forewarn you. The kids are going to love this. To get the full stiffness effect, you need to turn your radio up.
Right.
Okay, so this is me calling a local, not local here. It was actually a doctor in Verulam, KZN.
All right.
Dr. Himda Sims, good day.
Good day. Sorry, hold on. Sorry.
Bad cough.
Yes?
Bad cough.
Okay, I'm speaking to?
Are you speaking to Prakash?
Surname Prakash?
Pillay.
Okay, how can I help you?
Can't you tell?
Oh, you want to come here? Very bad cough. All right, whereabout are you now? Tell me. Verulam. See, our doctor is only going to be here till 1:30. Come straight away now.
Bongani in the background.
I've been sucking a halls, but it's not working.
No, what? Halls won't do anything.
Okay, hold on.
Coughing. Bad cough, man. You heard what I told her about the doctor being here only till 1:30.
Yeah.
So if you can come straight away, right?
What is going on here, man?
With you? Okay, you come here, we'll check you out and we'll tell you what's going on. No, you need to come straight away. Your cough is very, very bad.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, it's funny, man. Why is making that funny sound?
I can't help it.
Wait, what is your address then?
It's 2 ABC Center. 2 ABC Center, 91 Moss Street, right? Yeah, oh, sorry, man. 2 ABC Center. Start coughing. 2 ABC Center. I'm not going to sit here all day. Huh? Yeah, 2 ABC Center. You got that?
Fire it now.
91 Moss Street. So yeah, you give him that. All right. What you got? What have you written so far?
Number 2.
ABC Center. I told you ABC Center.
ABC
Okay,
Centre.
91.
Oh, man.
Dr. Chetty.
Say again.
Dr. Chetty. I gave you the details, Dr. Chetty. I'll see you just now. Okay, bye.
Hold on. What time?
You have to be here before. You have to be here before 1:15. Bye.
Sorry, you said.
Hello.
He does play the same audio quite a few times.
Hello.
Hello. Sorry, what were you saying?
Hold on, right?
He doesn't know what to do.
Hello.
Is this Dr. Hemraj?
You've got a terrible cough, yes, you're saying?
Tell me, do you have acetylsalicylic acid?
That's
Disprin.
Disprin. You can buy it from any chemist.
Is it Disprin? Oh yeah, I can never remember that name, Disprin.
Yeah. All right, what is your name?
Oh, brilliant.
I had to take my headphones off for every cough.
Oh, shame.
That was the toughest thing I've ever heard.
Thank you very much. That is his real cough. Michael Ball in London. If you're heading to London for the Olympics, oh my goodness, stay away from Michael Ball.
We'll play some reactions now as well.
The bigger, the better here on the Breakfast Express. Well, you see, that had the reaction I was hoping for. Huge.
Yeah, it was big.
That was the most revolting thing you've ever done.
But wasn't it just too beautiful, eh? I had to actually make that, Sam.
I
had
made
to
it.
listen to that.
Ali says, I'm suffering from sinus right now. I almost vomited and I had to switch it off today. Sorry, I feel unfaithful.
That's okay.
And then Marie says, if you want to go on a diet, use this prank. You will not want food for the entire day.
Somebody here, Teresa says, almost got sick, had to put the radio softer. I'm suffering with morning sickness. It was terrible, but it was so brilliant. Tracy, good morning.
Morning, Darren.
Did you get sick?
I nearly did. It was disgusting.
Did you get that lump in your throat?
No, I had to actually switch it softer, and then I was curious.
I'm making people sick in South Africa.
And every time I put it up, this guy was coughing. Oh, no.
And the cough
And
got
I've
even
got
worse. It's that lump in your throat that you can only clear when you...
No.
And you know when you've got your own cough. Now you're coughing and gagging at the same time. That's terrible. Terrible.
But you know what the thing is? You know what the thing is, Tracy? What makes it so funny for me is that is not somebody acting. That is
Not really.
somebody's real cough. Are you coughing there in the background?
No, she's gagging.
I'm coughing, but I'm coughing and gagging at the same time.
Crumbs.
Oh, no, it's horrid. Shame on you.
She's going into one.
Bye-bye. Have a good day.
Bye, Tracy.
Oh, man.
It's gone. They've lost control.
Okay, let's move on. We've done our business here today.
Yes, I think so too.
Somebody here said, what did they say? We were on our way to school. My dad had to turn around and go back home. Not because he vomited in the car.
But
He was laughing so hard, he actually weed in his pants. He actually
wet his pants.
wet his pants.
Yeah.
Now that is a job well done.
Oh, man.
Thank you, Michael Ball.
And you're very welcome. I had to say that when I sent those, I remember very clearly sending the email to Wackhead, and he replied. And he sort of said he wasn't, as he said, he wasn't sure that it really was me who did the coughs. but I did the. I can't do it very well now, to prove that it was me who was doing the cough. So, yeah, and eventually it ended up on one of Wackhead CDs as well. So technically, my cough has been made into a physical CD, and people have got it in their CD collections, especially in South Africa. I think that if that's the case, then I don't know. Is that something for me to be proud of? Well, it's certainly a interesting point of conversation. I think if you talk about comedy from South Africa and where you featured. So I really had a great laugh with doing this idea, which Wackhead really did use to perfection. I know that this is quite a popular prank from his collection, which is why I thought that as it's only the second one of these reactions, that I thought that it should feature me. So well done, Darren, for making such an awesome prank. I really had fun getting the reaction and sharing it, and people actually asking, "Are you okay? Are you okay?" and stuff like that. But in the end, I was the foghorn when I was a kid. People did turn around if I cough, if I was in the post office, or if I was at school or something, and all the mums are waiting to pick up their kids. I come out and go like that, and they look at me like I was a toad or something like that. So, we all have our pros and cons, and I think that at least that made something funny. I know it's at my own expense too, but I it's just a funny thing. We all do things funny. I can go. I could do songs with my hands. I've got the cough from hell. So, I hope you continue to subscribe. Sorry, I've got a tangent. Wackhead's back next week. I'm not sure what prank. So if you have an idea of what Wackhead prank you'd like me to react to next week, then please just send a message below. You know the usual. Again, thanks again for a lot of popular comments from last week. Let's see how this goes. If it continues, then I'll do this on a Saturday morning slot for subscribers. And I will catch you next time, and thank you very much.